Have you recently undergone coronary bypass surgery and are struggling to figure out what to eat? Are you worried about the potential consequences of eating the wrong foods? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore 11 foods you should avoid after coronary bypass surgery, plus a bonus food to steer clear of. So, get comfy and let's dive into the foods that may harm your recovery and how you can make healthier choices to protect your heart. 1. Saturated fats. The clogged artery culprit. Picture this. You're at a family barbecue, and everyone's enjoying juicy burgers and hot dogs. But after your surgery, these high-fat foods are off limits. Saturated fats, found in fatty meats and full-fat dairy, can raise your LDL, bad cholesterol levels, leading to plaque buildup in your arteries. After coronary bypass surgery, it's crucial to keep your arteries clear and healthy, so choose lean protein sources like chicken, fish, or plant-based options instead. 2. Trans fats, the hidden danger. You might think that indulging in your favorite packaged snacks or fast food is harmless, but these foods often contain trans fats. Trans fats are artificially created fats used to extend the shelf life of processed foods. Unfortunately, they can raise your LDL cholesterol while lowering your HDL, good cholesterol. Read food labels carefully and avoid anything with partially hydrogenated oils or trans fats, opting for heart-healthy snacks like nuts or fresh fruits instead. 3. Excessive salt. The sneaky blood pressure booster. Imagine you're enjoying a delicious bowl of soup. But did you know that canned or restaurant soups can be loaded with salt? Consuming too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, a significant risk factor for heart disease. After your surgery, it's vital to limit your salt intake to keep your blood pressure in check. Opt for homemade soups, low-sodium options, or use herbs and spices to flavor your food without the added salt. 4. Sugary beverages, the sweet temptation. Picture yourself on a hot day, reaching for a cold soda to quench your thirst. But after coronary bypass surgery, sugary beverages like sodas, fruit juices, and sweetened teas can contribute to weight gain and increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Instead, stay hydrated with water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fresh fruit and herbs for a refreshing and heart-healthy alternative. 5. Refined carbohydrates, the empty calorie trap. Imagine sitting down to a meal with a warm, crusty white bread roll. But did you know that refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and rice can cause blood sugar spikes and contribute to weight gain? After your surgery, it's essential to choose whole grains like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and quinoa for a heart-healthy diet that keeps your blood sugar levels stable. 6. Processed meats, the heart's silent enemy. Picture a delicious platter of cold cuts, sausages, and bacon. Unfortunately, these processed meats are high in saturated fats and sodium, increasing your risk of heart disease. After coronary bypass surgery, swap out processed meats for lean protein sources like grilled chicken, fish, or plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. 7. Fried foods, the double whammy. Imagine the satisfying crunch of biting into a perfectly fried piece of chicken or a crispy French fry. But after your surgery, it's essential to avoid fried foods, which are high in both saturated fats and sodium. Instead, choose heart-healthy cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming to prepare your meals. 8. Alcohol, the unseen heart stressor. Picture yourself enjoying a glass of wine or a cold beer with friends. However, after coronary bypass surgery, it's crucial to limit your alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and irregular heartbeats, all of which can negatively impact your heart health. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation and discuss your alcohol consumption with your healthcare provider. 9. Caffeine, the jittery heart aggravator. Imagine starting your day with a strong cup of coffee. But after your surgery, you may need to rethink your caffeine habits. Caffeine can temporarily raise your heart rate and blood pressure, which can be harmful to your heart in the long run. Opt for decaffeinated coffee or tea, or try herbal tea as a calming, caffeine-free alternative. 10. Full-fat dairy, the creamy culprit. Picture yourself enjoying a rich and creamy bowl of ice cream or a slice of cheese. Unfortunately, full-fat dairy products are high in saturated fats, which can raise your LDL cholesterol levels. After coronary bypass surgery, choose low-fat or fat-free dairy options like skim milk, low-fat yogurt, or reduced-fat cheese to keep your cholesterol levels in check. 11. Packaged snacks, the unhealthy convenience. Imagine reaching for a bag of chips or a packaged pastry when you're feeling peckish. But these convenient snacks are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and added sugars. After your surgery, skip the packaged snacks and opt for heart-healthy options like fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, or whole grain crackers. 12. Foods high in added sugars, the sweet heart saboteur. Picture a tempting dessert or a sugary breakfast cereal, but these foods can spell trouble for your heart after coronary bypass surgery. Foods high in added sugars can contribute to weight gain, high blood pressure, and inflammation, all of which can harm your heart. Instead, satisfy your sweet tooth with naturally sweet fruit or choose treats with minimal added sugars. Potential drawbacks. While avoiding these foods is essential for your heart health after coronary bypass surgery, remember that balance and moderation are key. Be sure to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized advice on the best diet for your recovery. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of 11 foods to avoid after coronary bypass surgery, plus a bonus food to watch out for. By making heart-healthy choices and steering clear of these foods, you'll be on your way to a successful recovery and a healthier future. Remember to discuss your dietary needs with your healthcare provider, and don't forget to share your experiences or questions in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable health advice. We'll see you in the next video.